Yeah, let's continue Python for AWS data engineering. In that, let's continue Python language fundamentals. In that, very important topic of Python language fundamentals is Python keywords. What are keywords and how to find list of keywords in Python programming language. So first point thing, in Python, some words are reserved for special purpose or special meaning. Special purpose, special meaning. Not only Python, every programming language contain keywords for special purpose, special meaning. Even generic languages like English, Telugu, Hindi also contain keywords. Let's take English language. He is a keyword reserved for men's. She is a keyword reserved for women's. Like that, a word is reserved for special purpose or special meaning. In Python, some keywords are reserved for special purpose or special meaning. To find list of keywords, Python is defined one module called keyword module. Then we can use function called variable called keyword list. If you print keyword list, it will display all keywords reserved in Python. Let me take this one. Let's say so total keywords at this point of time 35 keywords. Okay. So if you observe, we have at this time Python keywords are 35. And in that, every Python keyword is a lowercase, except three keywords. Except these three keywords, if you observe, every keyword is in lowercase. All keywords, if you observe, all keywords are in lowercase only, except these three keywords. And what are these three keywords? These in that three keywords, two are reserved for Boolean representation. Boolean representation. Okay. This one is reserved for none type. None type. Let's say you created variable. You are not you are not planning to store any value in that variable right now. Then in that variable contain none means nothing. Let's say function should return a value, but you are not returning value. Then it will return none. Means function is not returning or nothing is returning. So to say anything is nothing, we use variable called none. So these are three values. True and false value reserved for Boolean representation. None is reserved for nothing. Except these three keywords, remaining all keywords are lowercase. Clear writing? What are keywords and how to find keywords in Python?